Now, BJP's state-wise protest has now begun against the DMK government in the state of Tamil Nadu. The protest over inaction for curbing of the brewing and the sale of illicit liquor across the state. The protest in Chennai was supposed to begin by about 4 p.m. The police claimed no permission was granted for the protest. The police deployment has been heightened at the location where the protest is now supposed to take place. Protesters are coming to the place where they were later detained. The visuals that you see on your screens are coming in from Chennai. Now, Chennai is the place that the BJP decided that they will start holding a massive protest. It's not just the city of Chennai. Across the state of Tamil Nadu, in various places, the BJP is now holding a massive protest against the DMK government. BJP is protesting over inaction of the government for curbing the sale of the illicit liquor across the state. The protest, in fact, was being held in Chennai. It was supposed to begin by about 4 p.m. Let's listen to some of the reactions coming in.
We strongly condemn this arrest. This government should go. This government should go. The arrogance of this government, the ridiculous government should be punished. We want a CBI inquiry on this. CBI inquiry should be held.
My colleague Shilpa Nair is now joining me on the story. Shilpa, CBI inquiry, that's what the BJP at the moment is demanding, and it's not just Chennai. From what we understand, in different cities in the state of Tamil Nadu, BJP is now planning to come out on the streets and to protest against the government.
Well, that's right, Ishwari. In fact, today Tamil Nadu BJP had announced for a statewide protest against the inaction of the DMK government in curbing the brewing and sale of illicit liquor. Because remember, in Kallakurichi, over 53 persons have died so far in that huge tragedy. One of the worst, worst tragedies that the state has witnessed in terms of illicit consumption of illicit liquor. And the Tamil Nadu BJP, of course, had announced a protest here in Chennai. The protest was supposed to start at 4 p.m. and this is a place called Valluvar Kotam, where protests usually happen. This is a location that's dedicated for such protests to take place. But the police, of course, say that no permission has been granted for the BJP protest, and that's the reason why we are seeing massive security deployment in and around this road. Any entry point, any exit point is completely blocked by the cops, and any protester who's arriving to this location, they're immediately detained. None of the senior leaders have even arrived yet, but despite that, all the other workers, party workers who are coming here to take part in the protest, all of them are being detained by the police because they said permission has not been granted and they want the situation to remain under control. They do not want any kind of law and order situation, and that's the reason why protesters are being detained in buses and vans like these the minute they arrive at the spot. The DMK government, of course, is under massive fire from the opposition parties in the state because they say it is the negligence and it is the inefficiency of the DMK government that has resulted in a tragedy like this. This is not happening for the first time. Even last year, similar deaths have happened due to consumption of illicit liquor. So the BJP and the ADMK says a CBI probe is the need of the hour because the truth needs to come out as far as this tragedy is concerned. Though the Tamil Nadu government has, of course, transferred the probe to the CBCID, the opposition parties believe that it is not going to be a free and fair probe because CBCID, of course, comes under the DMK government, and they believe the truth will not come out. And the opposition parties, be it the ADMK or the BJP, they, of course, accuse that, there is a connivance of local politicians. Local politicians are involved, the police officials. All of these aspects needs to be looked into. If there is a larger mafia, then that mafia needs to be cracked. All of that is what the opposition parties are demanding, and that is the reason why they say CBI probe is what they need. And even in Assembly, the Tamil Nadu Assembly, we are witnessing stormy scenes playing out. It's day 2 of the Assembly session, and on both these days, the ADMK MLAs, the minute the Assembly session convened, the ADMK MLAs staged a walkout because they demanded a discussion on the Kallakurichi Hooch tragedy, which the Speaker denied permission for, and because of that,
right,
ADMK
Shilpa.
MLAs have been staging a walkout. So clearly, the DMK government is under a lot of pressure. The opposition parties here are mounting pressure, saying that this tragedy could have been averted had the DMK government been proactive in curbing the sale of illicit liquor.
Thank you, Shilpa, for giving us all those details. My colleague Shilpa at the spot where the BJP is all set to protest against the DMK government in the state of Tamil Nadu.